Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically, I got a daily time frame here for you, and we can see here, from my perspective, the USD Japanese yen is doing the second downside leg. If we consider this like a first downside leg, this like a corrective rally here, and from my perspective, we also got a free bar balance here. We're taking the pin bar low here today, and seems like there is no significant support. Speaking of the short-term perspective, until the till the area of 113.78 and 113.50. So overall, I'll prefer selling opportunities on the continuational patterns or on the rallies, towards the 113.77 and 113.50. Speaking of the gold market basically got a strong rejection of the key support at 1781. This is basically the key cluster of the lows that we had from the past, and we had 2 days ago a nice rejection, a pin bar, and yesterday we made a higher low, and today there is a clear breakout of this. I will say a 2-day balance, a 2-day consolidation here, and there is a key breakout in the fresh money flow to the upside. We'll also notice basically the price didn't have a power to the sellers didn't have a power to react from 1805, which was the previous swing low on the daily time frame. So basically this is just confirming there is a big strength in the market today. And I will not be surprised if we can see even today for the price to go towards 1816. But overall, short-term speaking, I don't see any significant pivot resistance all the way until this 1829, 1830 area. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks or continuational patterns watching your intraday charts. Going into the crude oil market, basically crude oil is still sidewaysing. It's sidewaysing for, this is a day 4. Definitely balancing market last 4 days, and watching for the breakout will be critical and I think very important in this area here. Taking the 88.87 aggressive and redistributing higher potentially can lead us to 81.40 or even 91.40 and 94.80. If we clear the lows around 86.30, we can eventually go towards the 85.10. And then, if there is even more power, towards the 83 zone. So definitely watch for the breakout, either upside or downside on the crude oil. Going to the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see basically that resistance at the 38,900 is holding very well, and buyers had a big problems to actually go through. And we got a basically test reject, which is basically telling us that still balancing condition is still active. And we need to clearly get away from this area and eventually even go above 39,800 to even confirm some higher price and probably price to back towards 43,400. If that's not the case, then we can basically rotate lower eventually towards the 36,700, eventually take the lows at 35,500 and attack the pin bar low at 33,000. So definitely balancing market. We got a test reject so far of the key balance high area. And that will be basically all for today's analysis. I hope that you did enjoy. As always, trade safe, have a good day, and see you all tomorrow morning.